A horticultural challenge for many homeowners is an area known as the Hellstrip, the space between the sidewalk and the street. What's a home gardener to do in this difficult area?
Gary, this Hellstrip is my domain. Leave it be, because it's a lost cause.
Oh, come on, Gary. I've got confidence in your gardening abilities. Let's turn this Hellstrip into our Garden of Eden.
You're right. Let's do this. Turning your Hellstrip into a garden is a challenge, but the effort is often worth it. The first thing I did was pick plants that are really great performers. My go-to annuals are always marigolds. I love these yellow and orange African marigolds. These plants are sure to grow in tough situations. Another tough annual is melampodium because they're heat tolerant and produce a boatload of 1/2 inch yellow flowers, even in the hot and humid conditions in Mississippi gardens. These easy to grow plants are short and rounded, making them a fantastic choice for my Hellstrip. Zahara zinnias are always a great pick. I chose the lemonade mix having yellow, white, and fire-colored flowers. For a hot garden space, celosia is the right choice. The All America selection Fresh Look Red looks great planted in small groups. I also planted Bright Ideas sweet potato. I love how the black and rusty red fills into and around the marigolds, melampodium, celosia, and zinnia. Wow, we did it! This looks great!
It sure does. Our own tiny slice of heaven.
I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.